Alright, let's take a look at modifying or customizing the toolbar in Pages, Numbers, Keynote, and in the Finder windows. This will allow us to change the functionality that's available to us from up here in the toolbar area, where you can see you have different options already. To make additions or to take away anything from that area, we're going to need to bring back a customized toolbar menu. It's in View, and down at the bottom you can customize, and it will bring up the menu with all the options that we can add to our bar. I'm going to go ahead and select Instant Alpha from this group, and I'm going to drag it up, and you'll see that as I drag it to different parts of the bar, it can be added to pretty much anywhere. I'll go ahead and drop it here on the right, and I'll grab something else. Let's go with Adjust Images, and I'll click it and drag it and drop that in the toolbar as well. When I click Done, you can see that these have now stayed and those functionalities are there. Another option to access the customized toolbar menu is to mouse over the bar, secondary click, and select Customize. This will bring up the options again. If you ever want to get rid of something from up here, you can click on it and drag it off of the toolbar, and you'll see that it magically disappears. Down at the bottom of this options menu is a default toolbar that you can drag in for all the applications. This also works in all the iWork suite, such as Keynote. If you move to View, you have the Customize toolbar menu again. You can also mouse over the bar, secondary click, and customize in that way. Here you see all the options for Keynote, and it works of course for Numbers as well. Within Numbers you can either secondary click and choose Customize, or you can go to View and customize from there. From within the Finder window, if I want to change the options that I have up in the toolbar, I can do the same as I would in the applications. I could go ahead and move up to the View menu, and in View they will pull down, and I can go down to Customize, and I can customize the options in the toolbar. I can also mouse over and secondary click and choose Customize from this menu. It will give me all the options of what functions to put in the toolbar. I suggest something like Quick Look to add in there so you can easily find Quick Look to your documents. Other things you can do to the toolbar is to modify the display in it or to hide it completely. If I go to View and I go down towards Customize Toolbar, I can see Hide Toolbar. By clicking this, the toolbar will disappear completely, and you don't have those options anymore. If you go back to View, you can show the toolbar again, and it will bring up our toolbar. If I secondary click, you see Customize Toolbar again, but I can also change the look of the toolbar. If I go to Icon Only, it will remove the text underneath the icon for the tools. If I go to Text Only, the tools will still be there, but only in text form to select them. And of course, I can secondary click and hide the toolbar, and it will disappear completely.